What's up everyone, welcome to Recipe Magic. So today let's make healthy carrot cake baked oatmeal. This is your easiest and one of the healthiest way to make carrot cake. It's the spring season, Easter is right around the corner and it's just the right season to bake these carrot cake baked oatmeal bars. They are super delicious, so let's get started. First of all, you just want to add some rolled oats in a large dish. I use a 9 by 13 inch baking dish that works the best here. Next I'll add some freshly shredded carrots. Next some ground cinnamon, some ground ginger, a bit of baking powder. These are the only dry ingredients I'll add. Over to the wet ingredients, I'll add some eggs, some honey. You can add any keto or sugar-free sweetener of your choice. Next, I'll add some chopped pineapples, some chopped walnuts. Of course, you can replace with pecan nuts as well, and also some oatmeal milk. I love the flavor of oatmeal milk along with rolled oats. It really makes it so moist and delicious. Just combine all of this together, and you can see I'm using all the typical ingredients that you use in a traditional carrot cake recipe. I just wanted to add some chopped raisins and also a layer of beaten yogurt on top so that it gives you the real richness and taste of a carrot cake that you typically see in and around Easter in every pastry shops, right? This is so easy and one of my go-to dessert recipes. Every spring morning, this one is gonna beat your heart and you are gonna love this one for sure. Once you've added the layer of yogurt, even it out completely. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius and then just bake this for just 15 to 20 minutes so that all the oatmeal and the flavors get completely combined together and you have a perfect carrot cake oatmeal cake. Isn't it just amazing? It looks so delicious and decadent right now. I'll just add an added touch. I'll just top with some chopped pistachios and this one is ready to serve. I'm sure you had a great time learning how to make these carrot cake baked oatmeal recipe. This is a healthy version of making carrot cake. Also, you can make this another ways by using any other gluten-free flours like almond flour or coconut flour as well. It really works like a charm into making this one. Do give this recipe a try, and if you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comment section below. Also, let me know which is your favorite spring dessert so that I can make them for you in my channel. Do give this recipe a try. You can find the full recipe and all the alterations in the description box below. Also, you can adjust the macros as per your need and taste by clicking on the description box below. You can find the printable recipe also in the description box below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so that you keep receiving updates whenever I post a new recipe. Have a great day, everyone.